Derek Stout at The Move Florida. Thank you so much for following along and tuning in. One thing that's on my mind is how to get maximum value for your home sale. We could talk all day about increasing your curb appeal and putting a fresh coat of paint on the inside of the house, which are all great and will definitely help. But the main thing I want to talk about is sellers should clear up anything with the house that might ultimately impact the buyer's ability to get insurance on the property. So if there's any lingering issues that you might have with the house that might ultimately impact the buyer's ability to close their loan by getting an insurance policy, make sure you take care of that up front before you put your house on the market.